Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to enable comments on Facebook posts. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Enabling comments on your Facebook post is easy. Here's how. Create a post or locate the post you want to enable comments on. If creating a new post, type in your message, upload any photos or videos, then click on the post button. If an existing post, click on the three dots on the upper right corner of the post. Then from the drop-down menu, click here who can comment your post. Now, as you can see, it's only the friends that can comment on the post. So, you can make it public to enable comments on the PayPal, and anyone can comment on this. So just press done, and if you will press again the three dots and press the who can comment on your post, you can see that it's already on public. So once you enable comments on your post, anyone who can see the post can leave a comment. But if you want to restrict comments to specific people or groups, you can adjust the post audience or use Facebook privacy settings to control who can see and interact with your post. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any comments or questions, can you put it in the comment section below? And make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!